gentlemen in the mix.
Grasping for tender moments. I hold on to like delicate keepsakes. They are so few and far between. And I'm grateful for the memorability of each moment. Moments wrapped in romance that end with bitter sunrises and goodbyes. Have you on repeat? Grasping for tender moments. I hold on to like delicate keepsakes. They are so few and far between. And I'm grateful for the memorability of each moment. Moments wrapped in romance that end with bitter sunrises and goodbyes. Have you on repeat? Grasping for tender moments. I hold on to like delicate keepsakes.
Good morning. Is this thing on? Is this thing on? Forgive me, minor technical difficulties. I've been trying to, I want to multi-stream. How does am I breaking up? Am I raspy? Okay. I want to multi-stream, and apparently in order to do that I had to upgrade my program, and I upgraded it, and it fucking reset everything. And so I have like all new, so I have to do all the sources and some stuff here. So like if I need to like whatever, and the window thing is weird. It looks like it's off-centered probably, and I can't really fix it, but just deal with it. You're just gonna deal with it. We're in a big one. good ones. We're in a big one right now. Was able to catch a little bottom. Thought about getting out of it. I ain't gonna lie. And we're kind of against some turbulence. The hourly doesn't really look that good, but I'm kind of banking on bullish momentum holding up and us maybe coming up. This is a risky fucking trade. This is a risky trade. The 2 hour, that doesn't look good. The 3 hour VWAP was coming up. So I'm kind of looking to win a fight. We're looking for this to hopefully kind of keep ranging and then break out. This is a risky trade. Risky trade. And I was let's take a look, see here. Okay, so we had the 12-hour clip over. We got the 8-hour coming in on that yellow. You know, it's a little fight. We're in between ranges. Slightly inverted curvature. You know, the price came up a lot. We're looking for these levels to hold. We really are. What I don't want to happen is what could totally happen is, you know, price comes down. I really don't. I'd really rather not be in the red. I'm not trying to fuck off account. I'll take a fee loss. I'll take a 5 or 10 grand, you know, whatever the fees are, lost to save my ass. I don't want to get caught and then boom, I'm 50, 100, 200, 300, 400 million, 3 million down. So I would certainly say I'm over positioned right now. 12-hour looks like she can come back. That's what I want to hear. Now that's the stuff I want to hear. You know, this money flow is good, and it's the first time we have the momentum coming over the 60. And so you know, hopefully it kind of just, I'm ready. You just come up to, what is it? Give me $1,000. Give me 1,000. I think 2% would be 100,000. Is that it? The bear strength has kind of been low. It just bounced down from the spider line as it should have, and we thought it would have. Hasn't come back down to this middle one. It's kind of floating. Ooh, we got a little butt on it. The hourly's scary right now. The hourly, I don't like the hourly. I'm looking at the 20, the 25 minute to win this momentum competition, hopefully when the market opens. I forgot that today is the trading wars competition for me. Today's my day to go on there and be the gulag monster. Season 5, I think. Yeah, it's on season 5. I am the 2-time champion of both times I was on the show. I was on season 1 and season 3. I am the double champ. This could be this is kind of a shitty trade right now, to be honest with you. We might not be in this one for long. So we're just gonna let time go by. What time is it? Okay, so market's opening soon, right? Market's opening soon. How's the baby doing? How's the little baby doing, bro? When I say market open, I mean all markets. Like, a lot of shit doesn't open until like an hour after the stock market opens. There's a lot of shit. The market is fully opened an hour after 8:30 EST, by like 9:45 EST. That's when like the market is really open. The market is quite decentralized in a certain fashion. Well, I'll tell you what, boy, if we can, you know, if we could come up one more time to this top, I might just take it. I might take that 50K. If we could come up one more top, it's kind of looking like a miracle. The longer I'm looking at this, the worse I'm feeling about it. Should have taken it. I should have took it. I should have took it. I had 1, 2, 3 chances. 2.5 chances. I'm like the guy from Cheaters right now. Don't follow me. What time is it? So damn, we got in 3 hours. 3 hours I got on the show. The show today is at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard. So I guess less than 3 hours away. Early. Show's early this time. She's kind of hanging. She's hanging low. We got the momentum fight right here. You know, the hourly. Holy boy. Maybe if I market close like a mill of it off, it'll create some bot buoyancy to the upside. Other than that, we're just having some coffee, enjoying some coffee. We have great content coming out from Mike Perry. I saw the shorts he's going to be wearing on fight night. They look nice. Purple. And the Market Cipher logo. Maybe I can give you guys a sneak peek. I don't think they'd get mad at me. What are they going to do? Get mad at me? Dude, the lines on the fight, I thought they were gonna move. You know, when they first came out, it was Mike Perry plus 200, then 150, then plus 250. I put a bet in today at plus 350. $100 wins you 350 plus your $100 back. And so they might be trying to scare people away, like, oh, that is it gonna be that crazy? Oh, this might be a trap. I'm gonna see if we can create a little buoyancy here. Lower the risk, see if we can create a little bot buoyancy, or we're just going to tank the price. A lot of times if when there's a big market order that comes in, it triggers them to go the opposite way. So we're going to see if we can do that. We are encroaching. This might be a dead trade. This might be a dead trade, folks. And we're going against, we're going against we're going against time frames that have been on point. We're against this hourly. This hourly looks bad. The hourly doesn't look good. We got to see what happens with this momentum fight. But this shit's been hella wicky. Yeah, fuck this. But I don't think I really want to short it either. I mean, the time to short was up here. It's kind of lollygagging. The price action's hella, the volume figure is kind of low right now. This might be a quick stream, folks. We might just be cutting this. We might have to cut it. I don't want to lose more. 10 grand, take the loss. Keep the losses small. Small wins, small losses. Big wins. I'm thinking magic numbers 197. I'm thinking at 197, I'm out. Yeah, trust me. Hey, I want to stay in. I want to stay in. I would like to stay in. But at some point, it's like, you know, why take the chance? Like Casino. The scene where the four bosses, they go around until they're talking about if they're gonna whack some dude's cousin. And the first three guys, it's a quick scene. It's like the quickest scene in the movie. The first guy goes, he's a good kid. Second guy goes, he's a hard worker. The third guy goes, he's a good kid, never really did anything wrong. You know, he's worked for us for a long time. The fourth guy goes, why take the chance? And they whack the fuck out of him. Why take the chance? Yeah, this was a could have had 50 thou wow. It was at 50 thou wow a couple of times. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. I mean, but it's been volatile. It was more volatile before before the markets opened. The Chinese have been selling every night. The Chinese have been selling every night. Boy, if you just short at the nighttime, there may have been one out of the past. Maybe one out of the past 5 days, 5 nights that it wasn't really selling. This is what happens when top hedge fund managers get into crypto. Never seen crypto so volatile. Brother, you must not have been here long. No offense. I'm not trying to be a dick, but brother, you must not been here long. I used to be able to drive the price of Bitcoin up or down. Those live streams are still up. We dumped the price of Bitcoin 13%. And then really just to see if it was us, 2 hours or 3 hours later, we did it another 8%. But we were ranging. I mean, I understand, you know, the environment changes. It gets boring sometimes. I don't know, but it depends on how you're trading and kind of, you know. But this volatility is nice. I like the volatility. This range has been super good to me. Super good to me. And I've been shaving, sticking to the 25-30% rule. You know, make 50K, 100K, 200K, 300K, shave 50, 100K, take 100K, throw it off, put it under the mattress. Put the lotion in the basket. I put the Bitcoin in the basket.
Gentlemen,
I have a little gremlin Chinese guy. Once a month, he comes out of the refrigerator with a little lamp, and he asks me if I want to take anything off the Trezor wallet. If I give him a sock, it means he's free. Come on, baby. Come on back. Let's get this gold post. Let's see that gold post or goal post. Of course, the Dixie, of course. Okay, so we are inverse Dixie currently. We are inverse Dixie. And the Dixie, yeah. Ooh wee, ooh wee, ooh wee, ooh wee, ooh wee. Hmm. 20 hours. Yeah. Today might not be the day, folks. Today might not be the day. I don't think today's the day. I think I might take today off. I think we might need to take today off. I don't really want to short it. I mean, we probably, you know, I'm not saying you can't short it and be profitable. But it's just, it ain't enough. It ain't enough. And I got shit to do. I still got a bunch of errands and shit to do today, and I gotta be on the show. I say we cut it. Cut it. What exchange can you use without KYC? Look in the description. BloFin is easy with no KYC. That's one. ZOOMEX, I think you need a VPN, but I think you can still get access. Check the links in the description. But BloFin right now is like the easiest one, where it's just you just fucking get in there with an email and you're trading with some good Chinese. I'm still in 3.3 million just in case of a miracle. I'm not out of here. I'm not out of here yet, but I'm real close. I'm real close to this could be the last time that we're at this point. You know, I had like 3 times I could have taken 50K. You know, maybe my ego got the better of me this day. What time is it? Really, I really wanted to wait another like 16 minutes. Typically in like 16 minutes at 9:45 Eastern Standard. You know, that's a good time where we can see something. But again, we're up against strong time frames right now. We're up against the hourly. I mean, look at that money flowing again. Easily can be, it's just another small red money flow, you know, but this is a day. This is 20 hours. Yeah. All right. We're going to take today off. No matter what happens, we're in the middle of the range. Crypto Face made a mistake. Okay. We lost 10,000. We got fee struck. I'm down 10,000. Now what do we do? Is that it? It's 10:30. Ah, you're right. It's 10:30 Eastern Standard. I am on the East Coast. My clock is wrong. Was it daylight savings? Should we short it? Bingo. Oh, I do owe a bingo. I still owe you guys a bingo. We got the new microphone. I told you guys I would do bingo like a month ago if that trade, whatever trade it was, went well. It did. We did hit the bingo goal. I promised you guys we'd be doing bingo. We haven't done it yet. Don't call me a dummy, bro. Fuck you. You go live stream and trade millions, hundreds of thousands. Don't call me no dummy, bro. Small wins, small losses. I ain't perfect. But maybe we should short it. Maybe we should, you know, but this is, I'm telling you, this is fee blendering bullshit time. This is low volatility fee blendering. If I was going to short, I mean, I would set the short, walk away, come back maybe in 6 to 10 hours, but I don't trust this. We're shorting against a hard pump trend. I don't think so. I don't think so. And listen, I love playing the range. I mean, money flows thick. I short if you want to. You can make money off it probably for sure. But I know I got things I got to do today. I think, and you know, maybe I should take a day off, man. We've been chopping it. You know. You lose money like getting it blended on fees way faster than you think. Way faster. It's super sneaky. You can get in, get out, get in, get out, get in, get out. It's like boom, there's fucking 60, 50 grand out of the nowhere. You're like, what? I was only down a couple thousand. What the hell happened? I don't know. I gotta make sure I got energy. Dude, the show's in an hour and a half, isn't it? I gotta be back here in an hour and a half for an hour and a half. And yeah, don't force the trade. I'm forcing the trade. I mean, when I got in, I didn't force it, but now it's forcing it. You know, when we were up I was up 50,000 a couple times. And I let the greed get the better of me. I'm not perfect. But you know, at least I ain't afraid as far as today to say, hey, non-KYC, BloFin, ZOOMEX, really ZOOMEX, but BloFin is good. This show, let me show you guys. Fuck, we should have shorted. Should we do like a mini short? Should we do like a little short? What about a little one? I don't know if I want to leave yet. We just started. Is it too late? Is it too late to short? I mean, it doesn't really look like it. It doesn't look like it's too late. But the higher time frames are like okay, it's probably just gonna go to 60. It's probably just gonna go in the 63s. Just hit the spider line. It'll go to 63.7, and then that's it. Let me pull it up. It's gonna be on let's see. Trading Wars is the channel. Okay, let me see. Live. Okay, here we go. Let me fucking. Why isn't my button for that working anymore? Trading Wars. Okay, here it is. We have $10,000 accounts, and basically, here, I'll link it. I'm the double champion of both seasons I was on. It's like me versus 10 other people. Double champion. It's season 5. It started on Monday or Tuesday or something, and whoever is the worst trader of that day this time on this season, every season's a little different, but this time I'm the gulag monster. So if whoever the worst performer is on Monday has to 1v1 me if they want to survive. And I believe I'm undefeated in the 1v1s from like last season and the other seasons. Every time someone's had to get trapped into the gulag with Crypto Face, I've come out on top. And listen, I've taken out people I like. Alexo Crypto, I took him out. I think I took out Evan Aldo. I took out everyone. Anyone who was on the damn show while I was there, I took him out, including Crow's fucking ass. He's about to get taken out again. This is gonna be the easiest. This is gonna be the easiest 1v1 I've ever had to do because I don't actually have to do anything. There's the link. So what it says, all right. I told them to change the channel name to Wars with no Z. They did that. I told them maybe to add a little bit of faint classical music in the background. But the show's really good. Actually, this season, I think it's probably the best season. The people on it, the way it looks. Here, I'll show you. Let me show. I can show you better than I can tell you. Let's see here. Let's see here. Okay, here. This is it. Here, we'll mute it. Here. Look at this. This looks like a friendly bunch. So all these people are gonna have to get taken out. We're taking them all out. But listen, you know what? I don't want to get ahead of myself. Ego can be your friend or your enemy. Your ego is your frenemy. And it wasn't easy. It's not easy being a double champ and defending your title not once, not twice, but thrice. And we have big time celebrities. We have Kanye West's little brother. We have Osama bin Laden, one of his like 20 sons. We have Nick Cannon, the guy that fought Bit Boy, Evan Aldo, one of our own, a Fly, Crypto Crow, Miami Vice. We have Donald Trump's evil doppelganger right here. He actually kind of looks like Donald Trump and Joe Biden mixed together with the tan and a little bit younger. This guy seems like a nice guy. We got a chief. And yeah, we're gonna find out. And so today it's just 1v1 day. I'm taking out Crow. And that's it. So yeah, we're out. We're currently not in a trade. We're done. I think today. So I'm gonna take today off. My dad's coming over today. I gotta go to the casino again and put more money on Mike Perry because a couple things came up. I withdrew some cash, and then I forgot I needed a little bit more cash because I'm greasing a couple wheels. You know, you gotta. When you're the when you're the head of the family, you know, you got a squeaky wheel needs the grease. The garage people are coming today. I'm getting him a new garage. That was my, that's what I'm doing to celebrate myself. My garage door is just a thin piece of metal. It's got no insulation, and the Ferrari fucking cooks in the garage. There's a window in my garage. So the sun beats on through. I got to cover that up. So I'm going to get a nice new garage door. What do you want to get in touch with me about? As long as you don't touch me. What do you want to talk to me about, brother? You can tell me here. Elevator pitch, inspire vision. I'm talking to you, brother. What would you like to say to me? What would you like? Here's your chance. You're on the big stage, big stage. I definitely don't drive the Rari every day, although I could, because it's built, the car's built so well. The Ferrari's built like a Honda, and it's comfortable enough to drive it every day. I could drive it every day. I don't even drive every day, but no, I got a car and a truck as well. Damn, we should have shorted. Hey, but listen, aren't we glad we got out of that bitch? Ain't we glad we got out? Just to learn from me? Oh, well, that's very nice of you, but that's what YouTube is for, brother. Everything I'm willing to teach you is on tutorials. The last thing I don't do no mentor thing. I don't do no mentor thing where like you're bright-eyed and bushy-tailed at someone all day. I can't. Some people can do that. Some people can have you know, it depends on the person. It depends on the people. Everything you need is already there. Everything you need's already there, bro. You shorted off the hourly. Fuck, man, I'm jealous now. I'm jealous of you guys. You guys were, I mean, look at that hourly. Is that not a screaming short? That is a screaming short right there. Screaming short. I just didn't take advantage of, you know, is what it is. Whatever. No big deal. And you know, the 3 hour was coming up, but it was looking weak and the momentum is down, you know. The momentum is down. It's like, okay, sometimes this momentum will come back up and it'll be a big one. And I was kind of maybe thinking that could happen too. But you know, I think today it takes a break. And tomorrow it's on again. I say let it drop today. And we live to trade another day. They're separate accounts, Project 86. You can have multiple accounts. So you can get funded. It's each one. There's a tab at the top right. Yeah, I can show you better than I can tell you. I can show you better than I can tell you. I'll show you. Hang on. Let me pull it up here. Let me go to, I gotta log into my email and pull up the username and password. Bear with me, bear with me. Well, I tell you what, if I lose to Crow trading, the only chance he has is if he just gets fucking lucky. If he closes his eyes, if I was Crow, I'd say, okay, I'm one of the first people to get kicked off the show every season. And you know, listen, I'm not saying he's a bad trader. It's just he's got other shit going on in his life, and so like it's kind of like, you know, anything. It's like if you're not really doing it, you kind of get rusty when you come back. Okay, let's see here. I'm looking for the password here. Okay, let's see here. Credentials. Here we go.
your skin warming beneath mine? Are you imagining us in other positions? Or am I alone in that mental position?
Okay.
You're angry with my teasing. I can tell. Your eyes, along with beautiful, they are incredibly expressive.
So,
The eyes are windows to
when you have an account, you have this little drop down here. You can have like this. These are 4 different accounts right here. And when you pass an evaluation on one, it gets assigned a new number. So you can have however fucking many accounts you want. I think it's like 10 accounts or whatever, how many accounts up to 200,000 or some shit of starting funded money. You can trade higher than that. Yeah, see, so you can have as many accounts as you want. Damn, we should have shorted. Damn. And it's about to be at the spider line. It's about to be, it's too late, too long. It's too late, too short. Is it though? Is it though? This shit's just getting started. It's just getting started. It's got a whole day to get down to 61, 62,000. It's got a whole day because there ain't much room up here. It's like once we enter this zone, you're talking hyperbole, hyperbolic, and fuck, we came up so much already. Even I'm a little blinded. Even the great crypto face, I'm blinded by my own gulag.
I had to have teased your curiosity at least a bit.
I too get excited when the price goes up a bunch. It's like, oh, more. But there's not much room. We're close to the top. There's only 10%. There's only 10% to the top. We're only 10% below the top.
Do you want to know the reason?
So my guess, my educated guess is we have 20 hours from now of whatever it's gonna do. It's gonna come up, it's gonna come down, gonna come up. Maybe it'll go silent, come down, and then we're gonna find out on Friday. We'll see what the lower time frames look like. We'll see if the hourly, a 20-hour hourly is that long. So we're gonna see if the money flow is gonna do this. If it starts curving up real good, yeah. If this starts curving up and we got anchors and triggers of momentum and stuff, we're gonna see. Maybe it don't, maybe it's just gonna keep going straight down. Time will tell. That doesn't matter, project. Bitcoin has the whole Bitcoin's never done this before when after an election, whatever. That doesn't matter. When last cycle it was Bitcoin never, I don't even fucking remember what it was this time. It was Bitcoin's never gone down to the previous high of the previous low, but made another high before previous low of the previous high. And then last cycle it did for the first time. Not saying you're wrong. I'm just saying you can't ever say never. You can never say never. But you're probably let the big gap in the money flow momentum coming down, but it's still tight. We can, I think she's got to cool off a little bit. She's got to cool off for a day. Let it cool off for a day. I got to cool off for a day. I don't want to. I want the shit to keep going. I want to keep going. And listen, all these people who are like, it's gonna go to 58,000 and 26th and 25th and 54 and back again and up again and back again. They say it so confidently, but they don't. It's like, man, what the fuck are you talking about? Like, you don't know that. But what I think it's gonna do, I think it's gonna go down to 62K, then up to 55, then down to 63, then up to 64, then it's gonna go to 54K. Man, 2017. How time flies. You're long right now. You're brave, brother. You're brave. I was long. I got out of it. I took the small loss. We took the 10K. I took a 10K loss. I'm out. I'm out. We got 3 days of the 25% off platinum, code platinum with Market Cipher. Mike's been rocking, he's not just rocking us on fight night, which I appreciate. You know, he's rocking one of the Market Cipher shorts today. Oh yeah, I said I was gonna show you guys the shorts, huh? Let me do you guys want to see what the shorts are gonna look like on Saturday? Maybe not. You know, maybe not. Well, you guys will see on Saturday. I don't want to mess with any juju. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to mess with any juju. But they look nice. Let me go on Twitter to pull it up. That's where I'm seeing all the clips. Man, we got oh, Conor McGregor. I wonder if Conor's gonna put a bet on. Conor's got to be betting on Mike, right? With those odds, he won the bet with Nate Diaz at plus 200. He's got to be betting on Mike for plus 350, plus 300. You know, we would have a great podcast, me and Flop and Groper, talking about shit like this. Like, this was the shooter, this was the assassin, and yet they're not showing these pictures. This is definitely the kid. Look at that chin. That's definitely the kid. This seems to be a random person with 4chan users trying to spread falsehoods. Oh no, I've been seeing AI and shit saying it's pretty fucking similar. It looks pretty much like him, but there's a lot of people look like him. Okay, where's it at? Where's Platinum Peas? Okay, maybe we'll look it up. I'll look it up here. Let's see here. Let's see here. It's on my profile. I put it on my. Here we go.
Big fights in your career.
Look at that shit.
You ain't
I worked so
money.
hard. I worked so hard for this. This is. It's not just another day in the office for me. I thrive off of this. I thrive off the pressure. I live for this. I've been getting paid millions of bucks fighting people. I've been doing this a long time, so this money fight ain't nothing new to me. I'm hungrier than ever. I need 20 million. I ain't got enough yet. I gotta check that off my box list and get my mansion and get my yacht and get my family on the boat every day. And you ain't taking that from me, bro. I'm so hungry.
Todd,
I'm hoping he gets good sleep. We still got 3 days towards the fight, so you know he's doing the WWE thing. He's so good at that, and he looks so good. We make such a good team. We are always victorious. I don't like the word undefeated. We are always victorious, though. We're always victorious. And he was doing a media thing. He was punching the deodorant W guy with our shorts on. That's our man. That's our man. I want to see if I can find, let's see if we can find some more clips here. Let's see if we can find some more clips. Oh, and you know what else happened? It's funny how this guy who floods all of everyone's posts, all my posts on Twitter with his AI open mouth dick sucking thumbnails, it looks like he's caught wind of what I've been saying about this poor bastard for the past week, because the past few thumbnails, he's got pussy lips on right now. Open your mouth back up, baby. Open that mouth back up like you want to, because you're having a hard time keeping it closed, pussy lips. This was funny.
What they're gonna see. Oh, brother, let me tell you what they're gonna see. Let me tell you what they're gonna see, Michael Perry.
Look at that muscle on his face. Now, he's a natural fighter. Mike doesn't take any steroids. Never has. Probably never will. He doesn't need them. He's a natural. But look at that. Look at that. He's got another arm up here. He's got another bicep in his face.
You're going down, flatten to the ground. When I get my hands on you Saturday night, I'm gonna eat you in one bite.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yes, sir, Michael Perry.
He's rhyming, but
You
he
ain't
got the
scary.
timing.
You ain't
got the
scary,
speed
Michael
that you
Perry.
need.
All you are
All
is
you got
hairy.
is greed. And
You
you're
don't
gonna
want
bleed.
this? I'm gonna take a piss all on your grave. You ain't brave.
Killing me.
Listen to me, brother. I'll show you who the American badass is. Thought it was your brother, the USA champion.
Oh yeah, that's right. He is the U.S. champ.
Barely beat Dylan Dennis.
That is right.
That's a good one. He's a good one. He's a performer, man. He's a performer. Listen, there's a reason why we got to him early. There's a reason why. Listen, we pulled up Mike Perry on the charts. Mike Perry Sturdivant family. And exactly. We're the only ones that can see it. We bought it out. It's private now. It's private. But we fucking knew. No one else did. We were here first. And that's why, you know what I'm saying? You know what? We know a good thing when we see it, whether it's a trade or a motherfucker. And you know, we do that here. We put people on. When we see good talent, when we see good people that have potential to be better and to uplift others, we put them on. No, maybe we don't pay the most in affiliate commission bullshit. I know Market Cipher might not pay the most. We pay good. But we pay first. When someone's a new channel or some shit, I'm like, hey man, I think these guys, man, we could use these guys. We give them a start. You know? We give them the start. There's not many other people that do that. In fact, pretty much no one else does. You might have not what we do, man. If you're a brand new channel and you're doing fucking shit, man, we'll break you off, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm gonna get flooded with emails. Okay, no, so it's in 2 hours. The show is in 2 hours. So, I guess that's it, guys. I guess that's it. That's it. Small wins, small losses, big wins. And hindsight is 2020. You know, I wanted to stream. Hey, I'm glad we got out right at the entry. You know, sure could have we could have if we really want to say could have, should have, would have, we could have Could have 50,000, 20,000, 50,000. You know, we could have done that. Just play. It takes to take the profits. Let the big wins come. And I've noticed the past 2 trades, I am a little greedy. The last trade before today, I was up what, 170,000? Ended up only taking $100,000 off that trade. Got a little greedy, even though we were at the tippy top of the spider line. I got a little greedy. And then this trade, I'm gonna forgive myself a little bit because I wanted to stream, you know. So I'm gonna say I was 50-50 greedy. So I'm gonna take today off. And then the good news is on the Trading War show in 2 hours, I don't even have to do anything because Crow's just gonna hang himself like he always does. My dad's coming over. He's gonna bring me some cheesesteaks. He's gonna come over and make some cheesesteaks. I'm gonna go handle some errands. The entry was right at, it was 64.4. I think it was yeah, it was I got in right here. It was 64.4. Again, I'll tell you where you can watch it. I put it in the chat. Let me pull up the Trading War show. I'm the 2-time, I'm the double champ. Pull it up here again here. Okay, here's the channel. Channel's Trading Wars. And then the live event is scheduled. Crypto Face starts in 2 hours. There's the link. And I'll see you guys there.